Sheet metal fabricating is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the creation of metal parts and components through cutting, bending, and shaping sheets of metal. This process is used to create a wide range of products, from simple brackets and enclosures to complex machinery and equipment. Sheet metal fabricating is a crucial part of the manufacturing process, as it allows for the creation of custom parts that are tailored to the specific needs of a particular product. The process of sheet metal fabricating begins with the creation of a design or blueprint for the desired part or component. This design is then used to create a template or pattern that is used to cut the sheet metal into the desired shape. The sheet metal is then bent and shaped using a variety of tools and techniques, including press brakes, rollers, and stamping machines. Once the part or component has been formed, it is often finished with additional processes such as welding, painting, or coating to improve its durability and appearance. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in sheet metal fabricating. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to create high-quality sheet metal parts and components for a wide range of applications. The company's team of skilled technicians and engineers work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and create custom solutions that meet their exact specifications. If you are interested in learning more about sheet metal fabricating and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is a great resource. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to their team to learn more about their services and capabilities. Whether you are looking for a custom part or component, or simply want to learn more about the sheet metal fabricating process, Berkness Company can provide the expertise and support you need to succeed in the manufacturing industry. FAQs. 1. What is sheet metal fabricating? Sheet metal fabricating is the process of cutting, bending, and shaping sheet metal to create a desired product or component. This can be done using a variety of tools and techniques, including laser cutting, stamping, and welding. 2. What are the benefits of sheet metal fabricating? Sheet metal fabricating offers a number of benefits for manufacturers, including the ability to create complex shapes and designs, high precision and accuracy, and the ability to work with a wide range of materials. Additionally, sheet metal is durable and resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for use in a variety of applications. 3. What industries use sheet metal fabricating? Sheet metal fabricating is used in a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, and electronics. It is commonly used to create components such as brackets, enclosures, and panels, as well as larger structures such as frames and supports. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.